Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your username on Roblox using a modded version of the Roblox app called the Roblox Plus. If you don't know what that is, it's basically a custom version of the app that lets us change username on Roblox along with a lot of other cool features. So for changing username, it really is very simple. All you have to do is open the app and simply click the edit button in front of the username, and you can simply go ahead and change the username like this, entering the new username and simply hitting save. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get the Roblox Plus installed on your devices so you can change your username on iOS and Android devices. So guys, without further ado, let's get right on with the video. I'm just going to go ahead and remove the app from the device so I can exactly show you how to install it. So guys, without further ado, let's move right on with the video. So guys, before we can go ahead and install the Roblox Plus app on iOS and Android devices, all we have to do is first of all make sure our devices are ready for that. What I mean by that is simply making sure of one thing, that is making sure the background app refresh on the device is set to the right option. If you don't know what that is, it's basically an option on the iOS and Android based devices that lets us install tweaked or modded applications on the devices without actually having to jailbreak them. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do it on iOS first, and then we'll move on with the Android devices. So in case you're using any iPhone, iPad or iPad, simply go ahead and open up your settings. Once you're on there, just go ahead and scroll up to the top and it's going to show you the search bar. Just go ahead and click on it and search for background app refresh. So as you can see, we have the background app refresh option right here. Just go ahead and tap on that and it's going to open the background app refresh settings. So what we have to do here is essentially make sure this is set to on. In case this is not set to on, just go ahead and click on it and set it to Wi-Fi and cellular data or Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now you can also set it to Wi-Fi if you're using a Wi-Fi connection, but I recommend the Wi-Fi and cellular data just to be sure the app can be added on the device no matter what kind of internet connection you are connected to, whether if you're using a Wi-Fi connection or a cellular data connection. With that done, our iOS device is all ready. Now I'm going to show you how to prepare the Android devices in case that's what you are using. So in case you're using an Android device, simply go ahead and open up your settings as well and scroll down until you see the battery options. It's going to be right under the device and privacy. Simply go ahead, click on battery, and it's going to open the battery options. Once you're here, just scroll down to the high performance mode and make sure you enable it. Now on some Android devices, you may not have this option. If that is the case, you don't have to worry about it. But if you have the option, just go ahead and enable it. This will force enable the background app refresh, and that is exactly what we want. Once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and move back to the iOS device so we can move on with the rest of the process because it's identical on both the devices. I'm only going to show you how to do this on iOS, and you can follow exactly the steps I do on the Android devices as well. So once we have enabled the background app refresh and all of our devices are ready, all we have to do is simply go ahead and open a browser and navigate to this website called itweak.vip. Now make sure you get it right. Just a second, I'm just gonna let this focus. It's itweak.vip. Once you're on the site, it's going to look something like this. All you have to do is simply go ahead, click on the search bar and search for Roblox. So as you can see, we have the Roblox Plus app right here for iOS and Android. Just go ahead and tap on it and click on Start. This is going to start compiling all the files for the Roblox Plus on the device. So just give it a couple of seconds to prepare all of this and this should be ready. Now, just as soon as that's done, it's going to take us to this installation page where all we have to do is install the required files on the device and run them for 30 seconds and follow the given instructions to unpack them and actually get the Roblox Plus. So this is super simple to do. Simply go ahead and click on it and it's going to open up in the App Store. and simply go ahead and save the file on the device. Now, before you do that, I want to take a second to actually tell you that make sure you actually read the instructions before you click on it, just to be sure that you're doing it right. Once that's done, the app is downloaded. Simply go ahead and open it up for 30 seconds. Now make sure you open it for a minimum of 30 seconds just to be sure it has plenty of time to actually unpack on the device. So I'm just going to go ahead and spend 30 seconds on this now. And that's going to be 30 seconds. Now let's go ahead, head back to the installation page and do the same with the last installation file. Save it on the device and wait for it to download. And simply go ahead and open this one up for 30 seconds as well. And that's going to be 30 seconds. Now go back to the installation page. Once you've done everything, make sure you go back to the installation page and confirm if it was successful. Let's go ahead and wait a few seconds for this to confirm. Now, as you can see, it says it is confirmed, the files have been added. Please restart the device. So once you see this, all you have to do is simply go ahead and restart your device. Slide to power off. And once the device is powered off, simply go ahead and turn it back on. And just like that, we have the Roblox installed on the device, and that is how simple it is. If you have any questions regarding the whole process, simply go ahead and leave a comment down below and I'll look into it. And with that, guys, this is going to be the end of this video. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and do let me know if you want me to create a specific video and I'll do it. And with that, guys, I'll see you in the next one.